Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. In this video, we will install the two main tools needed for web development, a web browser and a code editor. For a web browser, we will install Google Chrome, and for the code editor, we will install Visual Studio Code, also called VS Code. Let's first understand why we are choosing these tools and also look at some alternatives. So first, we will discuss why Google Chrome. Google Chrome is fast, lightweight, and easy to use. It has built-in tools like DevTools to inspect and debug websites. Most developers use Chrome, and websites are well optimized for it. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's discuss some alternatives to Chrome. So the first one is Firefox Developer Edition, Brave browser, and Safari browser. So let's install Chrome browser. Open any browser already on your computer. In my system, I have Edge browser. Go to this link www.google.com/chrome. Click on download Chrome button. After the file is downloaded, open it. Follow the instruction to install. So after successfully installing Chrome browser, let's discuss about why VS Code Editor. It's free, open source, and available on all operating systems. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many other languages. You can install extensions like Live Server, Prettier, Emit, and many more. It has intelligence, built-in internal, and Git supports. So let's discuss alternatives to VS Code. So the alternative is Sublime Text, Atom, Wavestream, Notepad++, and many more. So let's install Visual Studio Code Editor. Open your browser like Chrome. Go to code.visualstudio.com. Choose Windows, Mac, or Linux based on your system. And click the download button. After downloading, open the file. Click the next and install it. After installation, open VS Code. Your code editor is now ready to use. Now you have the most important tools installed, that is Google Chrome to view your websites and VS Code to write your code. Now you are all set to begin your web development journey. In the next video, we will create our first HTML page step by step. So this is all about this video, and if you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official, and check out the full playlist for the complete HTML and CSS course. Thanks for watching, keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.